Hello everyone, this is SuperGaming, and yes, this does mean that I am back from my 1 week break after the finale of Paradox, well, season finale. Anyways, today I have 2 bits of bad news and 2 bits of good news. So, I'm using, first off, this is not anything special, but like, I'm just using paint to circle things in the video. And yeah, anyways, my poll is closed. The poll is over. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the updates. First off, this is the bad news. Paradox will no longer be daily. I know that everyone likes Paradox to be daily, but I can't keep track of the rest of my series with Paradox being daily. And yeah, that brings us to our second bit of bad news. Videos will no longer be daily either, because school is starting back up in about 1 or 2 weeks, and I cannot do videos daily and schoolwork. I never know how much homework I'll have. And so yeah, I will not be able to do videos daily anymore. Now I will try to do videos as much as I can, but they will not be daily. So now, on to the good news. First bit of news. We have reached 10 subscribers, as you can probably tell. I made this special play button. Let me just select something. Special play button right here. It's called the digital play button. It is very badly drawn. It is for 10 subscribers, so yeah. I might print it out and like keep it in a picture frame or something, I don't know. Yeah. So we reached 10 subscribers. Woo. 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 And I know this video is very short, but this is the last bit of news. So, the poll is closed now, and some people have told me that they tried to vote on it, didn't count, but there's no way I can really convince everyone of that, so I'm just going to count all of the votes as they are for right now. Now, as you can see, Galacticraft Roleplay and Pixelmon, I need to circle that correctly. Pixelmon Multiplayer Survival have tied. And, you know, usually that wouldn't really mean anything. I would just pick whichever one I want. But this time, I don't have a lot of series. I'm going to do both. Since Paradox is no longer daily, I'm still going to have Paradox 2 or 3 times a week. Just not daily anymore. But, these 2 series will also be coming on usually once a week, probably. Galacticraft Roleplay may be coming on sometime either this week or next week. However, I do not know which time the Pixelmon Multiplayer Survival will be coming out, because I'm going to make my own server for Pixelmon. I already have one, but I also have people playing on it that I need to get to agree to reset the server so we can record on it. So yeah, anyways, have a great day, and yeah, bye.